Hello. I think you just saw me in another video wearing the same costume. I am an extremely lazy girl. I am shooting all my videos sitting in one position with literally no change in life because content matters. So I am going to be wearing the same clothes and not care. But right now, I am going to react to the trailer of an actor I really like, and I have spoken about almost all of his films on my channel. Of course, it is Tovino Thomas. I think he's very cool, and I am so excited because his new trailer has come out. So let's get into it. The film is called Nariveta, and Suraj sir is also in the film. I love Suraj sir. I love Tovino Thomas. This is like a perfect package for me, and I'm going to get into it. The trailer literally just came out yesterday. I called for McDonald's yesterday night, like last night, and obviously the Pepsi did not open, and so I had to wait for an entire day before I can have it. So if you guys also go through this, please tell me what y'all do to have your Coke or whatever you call for your drink while you're eating the McDonald's, because I can never do that. It's so annoying. I don't know why they package it in this, but anyway, that's not important. So let's get into the trailer. Nariveta. Oh, it's from the director of Ishq. Yes, I love this movie already. I love Ishq.
Would have stated that the strike.
Okay, so one thing that you should know about me is that I cannot do violent films. I just cannot see people in a film getting tortured or going through any kind of violence. Sure, I can see mental violence, but I just cannot watch physically abusive films in any way. Like, I cannot even watch action films. And this film is based on true events, and it has so much like violence and torture and political stuff in the film that I know I'm not being able to watch it. I will not be able to watch the film, and even if I do, I'm gonna be like this, literally like this, throughout the movie. It's just not my vibe. Apart from that, I feel that Tovino Thomas is a very good actor. And I like that he's doing so many political films as well. He's doing commercial films as well. He's doing like films that should, like stories that should be brought to light. And he is really experimenting and going through a lot of things and spectrums as an actor. And I really love that for him. But honestly, I am not getting the vibe from this film. I feel that the film is going to be very interesting in the first half because, of course, they're going to tell us the story of what happened, how they're fighting for it, and all of that. But I think the second half is going to be a bit risky in terms of how they narrate the film. You know where I'm coming from? I feel that the film might lose its plot or might just like lose into translation because they will have so much to show, but they won't be able to in the second half. Is what I feel. Like the first half narration is going to be to the point. We're going to be like really intrigued by what's going to happen and stuff like that. But that's not going to be projected in the second half as well. And that's the kind of feeling that I'm getting from the trailer of the film. It is not going to hold the audience throughout. I hope that the movie is just 2 hours long or like 2 hours 15 minutes. I hope that it's not like a 2 hour 45 minute or a 3 hour film, because then it's definitely going to happen what I just said. Editing could be a bit of a problem. Direction looks good. I love the starting tribal thing in the start of the trailer. It was very intriguing and very like poetic in its own way. And the music seems nice, the action seems good, camera work, everything seems like in sync. And the only thing that I'm scared of is the narrative of the film in the second half. But I wouldn't say that I'm super excited to watch the film only because I cannot watch, the violent parts in life. But apart from that, I think it is definitely a film that everybody should watch. But let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and how excited are you for this film. Trust me, I am excited, but yeah, a bit off also. It just makes me cry to watch violence. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.